Hello everyone. Let me tell you why Sirsasana, the king of yoga posture, is a total game changer. When you master balancing upside down, the benefits for your body and mind are incredible. Sirsasana is one of the most important yoga posture because of its significant benefits for overall well-being. By flipping your body upside down, it boosts circulation, sharpens your mental clarity, and gives upper body strength, making it a key pose for all yoga routines. Now, let us know the wonderful benefits of practicing Sirsasana. The pituitary gland regulates hormones that are responsible for growth, metabolism, and reproduction. When you practice Sirsasana, the increased blood flow to the brain enhances the function of pituitary gland, preventing issues like thyroid imbalances, digestive problems, and growth disorders. The other gland which gets the benefit from the practice of Sirsasana is the pineal gland. The pineal gland secretes the hormone called melatonin, which controls the sleep-wake cycle. As we know, practicing the Sirsasana enhances the flow of blood to the brain. It activates the pineal gland to function optimally. Students preparing for the exams can benefit greatly from the practice of Sirsasana. The regular practice of this pose helps in improving the concentration and memory. By incorporating Sirsasana into their routine, students can boost their cognitive function, making it easier to focus and retain information for their studies. So we know that regular practice of Sirsasana enhances overall well-being. In this video, I will be guiding you step by step so that you practice Sirsasana safely. If you follow the complete video, you will learn to do this powerful posture so that you experience the amazing benefits of this pose firsthand. Let's work on it together. Before we begin the practice of Sirsasana, it's important to build a strong foundation. I would recommend you to practice basic asanas such as Surya Namaskar, standing pose, and arm balances for a few days. This will develop necessary strength and stability so that you minimize the risk of injuries while practicing the advanced postures like Sirsasana. Also try to include pike hold into your routine, which I will be teaching you now. To do pike hold, you need a chair or some elevation. So let's do it now. To do pike, first come in downward facing dog. Then right leg on the chair, left leg on the chair. Walk your hands back so that your body is perfectly perpendicular. Stay there. Keep pressing your palms down. Hold this for 20 seconds or 30 seconds as long as it is comfortable. If you're done, slowly bring your feet down. Relax. Now, let us learn the first step of Sirsasana. That is placing the head on the yoga mat. And this is very important for balancing. To do that, first come in tabletop position. And then place crown of your head down. And after that, place your hands, interlock your fingers behind the head. Your elbows should be closer. Do not flare your elbows. Your elbows should be closer. This is very important. So what you're doing is, once you place your head down, you need to bring your elbows closer. You should not flare your elbows. Once you bring the head down, interlock your fingers and then your fingers behind the head. Keep your elbows closer. Then tuck the toes. Tuck the toes. Lift your knees up. Walk, walk, walk. Stay there. And try to balance here. If you're done, do child pose. So let us take the wall support and try doing the headstand. Now Roughly take the distance of your leg. Turn. Place the crown of your head down. Interlock your fingers. Lift the knees up. Place both the legs on the wall. Once you have mastered the previous method, now it's time to use the momentum to do the headstand, taking the support of the wall. Same thing here. Press crown of your head down. Interlock your fingers, elbows closer. Walk, walk, walk. Lift. Bend your leg. Then bend your right leg. Kick, touch, come back. Kick, touch, come back. Then, if you are confident, kick, touch, right leg straight, left leg straight. If you are not able to balance, you can place one leg on the wall and keep changing. Now, let us try to do the Sirsasana without any support of wall, using your core strength and your arm strength. Now place the crown of your head down, interlock your fingers, elbows closer. Knees up, walk closer, press your elbows down, keep lifting the legs up. Point your toes up, stay there and balance. Once you develop the foundational strength, you should be able to do this. You can also try doing the tripod headstand. This method of headstand is using only the core strength to lift your legs up. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this explanation and demonstration of Sirsasana helpful. With practice and patience, you will be able to do this powerful posture and enjoy all the benefits. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more yoga tips and tutorials. See you next time. Namaste.